Look at me and tell me what you see. A broken soul still chasing dreams, walking through the dark alone, trying to find a place called home. People change like falling rain, smiles hide all the hidden pain, but I keep fighting through the night, hoping one day I'll shine bright. I gave my heart, I gave my trust, turned my scars into the dust. Now I rise above the fear, even when nobody's here. Look at me and tell me what you see. Do you see the fire inside of me? Through the pain and memories, I still stand, I still believe. Look at me and tell me what you know about the night so cold and slow. I was lost but now I'm free. Look at me, this is me. Staring at the sky, asking God the reason why. Every tear became a song, made me stronger all alone. Now the shadows fade away, I'm not scared of yesterday. Every step, every scar made me into who we are. No more hiding, no more chains. I survived the darkest rain. Now my voice will light the way. I was born for better days. Look at me and tell me what you see. A dream of building destiny.